Hi friends, and welcome to a new video. This is Mecca. I am at the allotment and I am about to harvest some beautiful comfrey. Now comfrey is one of the sort of weeds that is you can never eradicate it, but it's a good one. It's really useful for so many things. I use it as a plant fertilizer, which is a very common use, but today I'm actually harvesting it for different things, for skin and for joint care, using it as upholsteries. So comfrey is traditionally known as knit bone. Knit bone is something that helps repair the bones. Now, this is not medical advice. This is just my experience with comfrey. I use it as poultices for joints, for achy joints, and also I use it in my herbal oils to make body butters. It's a soothing herbal concoction I make. Anyway, this is how I harvest comfrey. That's all. This video is about how I harvest it. Ideally, go before it starts to form seeds. It's just beginning to form flowers. It actually does not propagate through seeds, it's sterile seeds, but go when it's just the time before they start forming. Okay, and we're going to pick the green leaves and also the roots. So I dehydrate both the leaves and the roots for my dehydrated comfrey. Comfrey leaves has got prickly hairs. And so it's very important to wear gloves when you're harvesting comfrey because of these hairs, all right? So we're going to do a quick harvest. Right guys, comfrey roots is quite deep. Comfrey is called a dynamic accumulator. Comfrey can go meters deep down. I've heard it's quite deep. So you'll find when you're harvesting it, look at that, it's quite dark and some of it is rotted there. So I won't be taking that. You need the fresh and the clean ones, but the skin of it will always be dark, okay? So let's just, yeah, look at that one. You see how deep that one goes? And then after digging, I'm going to put back, because we don't want it to die. We want it to still give us more. Because it's a perennial, it grows back every time, year after year, and it grows all year long until it's winter. So it's something that you can't really get rid of easily, but then it has so many uses. And that's why whenever I dig it up, I try to bury some back. I'm just gonna wet it. So this is all we'll pick today. On a later date, I'll come back and pick for making my plant feed. I have videos showing how I use comfrey to make plant fertilizer, which is such a fantastic fertilizer for fruit bearing plants. So like your tomatoes, your peppers, you don't need to buy those feed. I'll put a link on the video I did sharing how I make my phosphorus feed. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is comfrey. If you have access to comfrey, some people have to buy it. It propagates through the cuttings, the roots, like I've just shown you. Doesn't really propagate with the seeds, although there are some comfreys that you can plant with seeds, but these seeds in the UK are sterile because they can be really invasive. My plot neighbor has it everywhere and he lets me pick, and I'm so grateful. I have a little on my plot, but it will not come. It's a young one, so it will come back maybe later on in the year. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, if it's added any value to you, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next time, I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.